Welcome back to the channel. Today, AMD launches its Ryzen 5000 series processors based on the Zen 3 architecture. The Zen 3 architecture promises faster instruction per clock, which will give you an average performance gain of 19% over its previous generation processor. According to AMD, this is achieved by increasing the number of cores in the complex from 4 to 8, and L3 cache is unified into a contiguous block. On our hands today is the Ryzen 7 5800X processor. This processor is an 8-core 16-threads processor. It has a base clock of 3.8 GHz and a maximum boost speed of 4.7 GHz. As the Ryzen 5000 series processors adopts the AM4 socket type, existing heatsink which meets the thermal requirement can be mounted onto the system. We will install the processor onto our Gigabyte motherboard and will benchmark it. Here are some benchmarks with Cinebench R20 and PC Mark 10. For more benchmarks, please visit OCWorkbench.com. Do remember to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for any new contents in the future. Thank you for watching.